another channel like Tejas Network also. I have bought some shares.
Okay.
Yeah, because they are into telecom, and now they are manufacturing equipment for fiber to home, 4G and 5G. And now, as you know, since you are also from media, fiber to home is the future, is the now new disruption, you can call it, after this Wi-Fi technology and all. And of course, half of India is still using 2G. So that 2G will be converted into 3G, sorry. So that 2G is still to be converted into 3G and 4G. And then next step is 5G, which is 100 times faster than 4G. So that is also going to come. That might take maybe 1 year or 2 years or whatever now, since Geo is after 5G. So this company is, manufacturing equipment for these categories, for these companies, or for this technology. It's a technology company. And again, debt-free company. And again, once stock price was 500 rupees, which fell down to 35 or 40 rupees. So that was an opportunity. I bought this in the month of June, mid of June or something. Then again, I buy in August also. So for this simple, my thesis is very simple: debt-free company having technology, futuristic technology, and that's it.
Tejas may not have debt, but it certainly has one problem, which is receivables from the government, right? Which has been a pain point. Does that not worry you, or how do you overcome this worry?
No, of course, that really that worries me a lot, and that amount is due for last 2 years. Even the company, every quarter company is receiving, maybe whenever they declare, they're receiving 10 crore, 20 crore, 30 crore. So that is a problem in the company. But in spite of, and I think that's a large sum, around some 180 crore or 200 crore, I don't remember, in that price range, in that range only. But even then, companies having 200 crore, more than 200 crore lying in the bank, cash money lying in the bank. And, when I bought the shares, that time market cap was just 400 crore. Just imagine 200 crore, more than 200 crores lying in the bank. 200 crore you have to receive from a government company, which ultimately receivable, which ultimately you are going to receive. And also that money is going to come. Even you write off that money for the time being, 200 crores having in the bank, more than 200 crores, I think. And 400 crore was the market cap. तो मेरे को लगा इसमें अभी क्या इतना ज्यादा रिसर्च करने का यार इसके अंदर में.
In this discussion, Vijay Kedia emphasizes the importance of adapting to technological advancements and remaining agile in the ever-evolving market. He highlights the impact of government policies and the need for companies to stay innovative to avoid becoming obsolete. As we navigate these changes, it's crucial to stay informed and make strategic investments to ensure long-term success. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends and insights, and join us as we explore the future of technology and its influence on businesses.